what do we got here? This is a what? First of all, what's your name? I'm sorry, what? Joe, where are you from?
Arizona.
Arizona? What part of Arizona?
Phoenix.
Phoenix? Fantastic. All right, so this is an air what?
It's an air cannon.
Air cannon. Okay, and what would we use it for?
Just, I use it for shooting marshmallows.
Shooting
I
marshmallows?
live on the edge of the wall.
Okay, can we demonstrate? Or is it not safe to shoot a marshmallow?
Well, at 30 psi, I'll go 176 feet.
100, so would it like hit the wall or something? Would it stick? Let's try it. Is it fully operational or you need?
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Back up, guys. We don't want to hurt you. All right. How long did it take you to put this together?
After I got all the parts and was done planning, it took me about a day.
About a day?
People at Home Depot helped me build this part because it was kind of difficult to get it into there.
All right, back up, guys. We don't want any injuries here. This is a little impromptu. You two down there, everybody. I'm serious, guys. I want you to move over to this side. We do not. Okay. You over there. Because this thing's going to go way back here. All right. Okay. This is great. You need some help? You got it? Secret Service isn't happy about this. Come on, let me, you know, that way I can feel like an aid. What pressure do you want to get this to? 30. Almost there. Uh-oh. Gotta use two hands.
You need to stand on it.
You hold it while I'm doing it. You have it? Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Here we go.
So you just press this button right here and I'll probably angle this way so I can hit that person's poster.
Yeah, I think that's let's go look at the marshmallows.
Oh my God. This is crazy. They shot a marshmallow in the dining room.
It came out pretty fast.
Yeah.
Huh? But it looks safe.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I shot myself with it at 15 psi.
I'm stuck,
You
sir.
shot yourself with the marshmallow at 15 psi, just to kind of test. So you experimented on yourself.
Yeah.
It's like a live human experiment.
Well, if anybody was going to get hit by it, I want to know how much it hurts and stuff.
Well, did you wear like goggles when it happened or anything?
No, I just turned to it and I got it.
You just kind of, yeah. Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Well, outstanding. So now what grade are you in?
8th.
8th grade. Okay, so we got a bunch of 8th graders. Fantastic. Well, this is outstanding work. Now,